So this is Snickers. She's our new kitten. She likes to play with the camera bag. She's so cute. Why are you so cute? See, she just had a surgery. She had a spade and she had a wolf bite, so she has like stitched on the side of her face. But she's safe with us now. She's a part of the family. We're gonna see her grow up in these next few weeks, and I guess I'll vlog some of it. She's just now gotten used to me. Like, we just got her today. She's very used to me. So this is day 3, and Snickers is a little bigger. She's really happy. She's a happy kid. She gets lots of playing, lots of food, lots of cuddles. She's like 8 weeks or something. 8 weeks. Maybe 9. Maybe 10. Who knows? Get the camera. She's purring already. Yeah. What you doing? You wanna be part of the notes? She's mad that I'm paying more attention to the notes. Oh no! See, she's gonna be a very high energy cat. That's my Nia. You don't like my laugh? So small that she can fit on top of that thing. On top of the white thing. Oh, she already got out. Dang, you're so fast. This is how much she's grown. We had her for like, I don't know how many days. I lost count. Like 6 days. And so much she's grown in 6 days. Look, she always steals it. That's mine. That's mine. Let go. That's mine. I know it ain't comfy. Give that back. That is not yours. There. She thinks she's triumphant when she gets it. So like playing chase. Oh. I can see you. I can see you. First time outside. Uh-oh. She's free forever. Scary. What are you doing? I'm in my socks. She's still a baby. She likes the camera. You can't have the doggies. They're not good for you. Hello. She's really getting into it. She prefers strings. Like when she plays with the mouse, she just plays with its tail. Like she doesn't even care about the mouse. She's like, I just like strings. Like, she surprise attacked the mouse. Surprise attacked the mouse. Trying to show how big she's gotten. Look, I'm not ready for her to grow up. That's what I say, she's in between a kitten and a cat now. She's like teenage kitten. Yes, look how big she is. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're not showing that. But yeah, I'm not ready for her to grow up. Oh, no, I'm not ready. I want you to be little forever. I want you to be little forever. You just always be little. Yeah, be my little baby. You always will be either way. She's hiding under the blanket. She loves to hide under the blanket. She loves to hide under the blanket. Under the blanket. She's so crazy, y'all. She's so crazy. Let's see if we can see her. Kitten! Where'd she go? She left. She's gone. Oh no. She's down there. I hear her. There's the boss. Hello. What you doing? Aww. She's now almost 6 months old. Aww. Yeah, you look really good. Look at the baby. Here, yeah, pounce on me. Pounce, right there. So see? Oh my goodness, she's so big. My baby's gonna be all grown up. So the kitten is now, we got her, let's see, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 7.5 months old. She's almost 8 months old already. Like, I'm crying as mom here. Sneaker wickers. Let me do this. Here. Sneaker wickers. Snicker whiskers. How about that? Oh, she's not a little kitten anymore. You're not a little kitten anymore. Hi. Look cute. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, 7.5 months, guys. 7.5 months. You have to say for yourself for being so little and yet so big. This is what she has to say for herself. She said, stop being so condescending. Fine. Almost 8 months years old. I'm 8 months old. She almost 8 months old. Is that right, Kitten? This is Snicker. That was Snicker's first snow. She's running away from me. But it's... Look, it's white. See? It's white. So she's currently 8 months old and she is not liking the snow apparently. It's her first snow ever, her first little Christmas time. Isn't it your first Christmas time? Yeah? It's your first Christmas snow. My future. White hair.
waiting for her to follow me. If she really loves me, she'll come out here and save me from the evil snowflakes. She's coming! Ah! Look! She's running to me! She's such a good kitten! She is such a good kitten! Hello! You're such a good baby! Aww! I love you too! So this is Kitten. She's in the dark right now. But she is currently... How old are you, Kitten? Are you 9 months? 9.5? 9.5 months. You're lurking in the shadows. Oh, she's coming up close. This is how big she's gotten at 9 months since we got her. Isn't this insane? She's still pretty small, and I think this is gonna be her size for a while, honestly. Like, this is it. This is Kitten. This is Kitten forever. She's always gonna be a baby. A cute little baby. I wonder if she can feel the camera on her. I feel like a pervert filming her bathe. Looking good.